In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a clean white border to any photo in Photoshop. This is a super simple technique that works in seconds, but it can instantly make your images look more polished, more professional, and perfect for social media, portfolios, or thumbnails. If that sounds useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and practical Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your image in Adobe Photoshop. You can drag and drop your photo into Photoshop or go to File and then Open and select your image from your computer. Once your image is loaded, make sure your photo layout is selected in the Layers panel. This is important so the border applies correctly to your image. Now the first step is to select the entire canvas. To do that, simply press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, that would be Command+A. You'll now see marching ants around the edges of your image, which means everything is selected. Next, go up to the top menu, click on Edit, and then choose Stroke. This will open the Stroke Settings window where we can create the border effect. Inside this window, you'll see a few important settings. Start with Width. This controls how thick your border will be. For example, you can enter 20 pixels for a clean, noticeable border, but feel free to adjust this depending on your image size and preference. Then move to Color. Click on the color box and select white. You can either choose it from the picker or type in pure white values. Once selected, click OK. Now look for the location setting. This is very important. Make sure you set it to inside. This ensures the border appears neatly inside the edges of your image instead of expanding outward or getting cut off. You can leave the other settings as they are and then click OK. And just like that, your photo now has a clean white border around it. It's that quick and easy. If you want to experiment further, you can undo and try different border sizes to see what fits your style best. Thicker borders can create a bold, framed look, while thinner borders feel more subtle and minimal. This technique is especially useful for Instagram posts, product images, or creating a consistent visual style across your content. And that's it. You've successfully added a white border to your photo in Photoshop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.